Ever feel as though there aren't enough hours in the day to manage your social media marketing? You're not alone. In this digital age, harnessing the power of social media is a must for businesses, but it can consume a significant chunk of your day. Social media marketing requires constant attention. Crafting engaging posts, scheduling them at optimal times, and interacting with followers can quickly eat up hours. What if there was a way to maximize the impact of your social media efforts without the time drain? Welcome to the future of social media marketing, automation. This isn't the automation of old where posts were scheduled and forgotten. The tools of 2024 are smarter, more intuitive, and powered by artificial intelligence. Imagine a platform that not only schedules your posts, but also creates them. Yes, content creation platforms like Automata now use AI to generate engaging posts tailored to your brand and audience. These tools analyze your audience's behavior, their likes, dislikes, and engagement patterns to craft posts that resonate, driving engagement and results. Then there's AI-powered scheduling, like Repurposed.io. Gone are the days of guesswork and endless spreadsheets. These tools analyze when your audience is most active and schedule posts accordingly, ensuring your content gets the attention it deserves. But automation doesn't stop at scheduling and content creation. There are tools like ManyChat that manage interactions, responding to comments and messages promptly, maintaining that crucial connection with your audience even when you're busy with other tasks. So, what's the result of all this automation? More time for you to focus on what really matters, growing your business. You'll also see increased engagement, improved results from your social media campaigns, and a stronger connection with your audience. In the world of social media marketing, staying ahead of the curve is vital. Automation is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. So why not embrace the future and take your social media marketing to the next level? If you're keen to stay updated with the latest in social media automation, subscribe for more tips. Or perhaps you've tried some automation tools that have worked wonders for your business. Do share them in the comments. Remember, the future of social media marketing is here, and it's automated. So automate your future.